Hi everyone. In this video, we're going to look at the top 5 best kitchen utensil sets. We made this list based on our own opinions, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 kitchen utensil sets. Number 1, Umite Chef Kitchen Cooking Utensils Set. If you're tired of your utensils bending, breaking, or scratching your non-stick cookware, the Umite Chef 33-piece Kitchen Utensils Set has you covered. This set features food-grade silicone tools that are BPA-free and built to last, ensuring safe, healthy cooking without the worry of odors or color retention. Key features include high temperature resistance up to 446 degrees Fahrenheit, making it perfect for cooking at all temperatures, plus wooden handles that are designed to protect your hands from heat. The set includes a wide variety of tools, like spatulas, tongs, ladles, measuring cups, and 10 hooks for convenient storage. Pros: durable, scratch-resistant, and safe for non-stick cookware. Cons: not dishwasher safe, and wood handles should be hand-washed. This set is perfect for home cooks or anyone looking to protect their cookware, while adding a full set of versatile utensils to their kitchen. If you're looking for high-quality kitchen gadgets, this set is a must-have. Elevate your cooking experience with the Umite Chef Kitchen Utensils Set today. Number 2. Kitchen Utensil Sets Silicone Cooking Utensils. Looking for a durable and complete kitchen utensil set that won't scratch or damage your expensive non-stick cookware? The BESTZ MWK 33-piece Silicone Cooking Utensil Set has everything you need. This set includes spatulas, tongs, whisks, spoons, and even a pizza cutter, all made from high-quality silicone and stainless steel. The heat-resistant silicone heads protect your non-stick cookware from scratches and dents, while the 304 stainless steel handles ensure these utensils last a lifetime without bending, breaking, or rusting. Pros: it's BPA-free, dishwasher-safe, and designed for easy storage with small holes on the handles. Cons: it's a bit larger than standard sets, so it may take up more storage space. This set is perfect for home cooks who want to protect their cookware, while having all the essential tools needed to cook any dish with ease. If you want long-lasting high-quality kitchen utensils, this set is a game-changer. Get your best SMEG silicone utensil set today for the ultimate cooking experience. Number 3. Silicone Cooking Utensils Set. Are you looking for a durable, heat-resistant utensil set that won't damage your non-stick cookware? Look no further than the 15-piece Silicone Cooking Utensils Set. Made from food-grade silicone, this set is BPA-free, odorless, and can handle temperatures up to 446 degrees Fahrenheit without melting. Key features include a one-piece stainless steel core for added durability, and anti-scalding silicone handles to protect your hands while cooking. Plus, the non-scratch silicone heads ensure your pans stay safe, even with daily use. Pros: it's dishwasher safe, scratch-resistant, and the set includes everything from tongs to spatulas, covering almost all your kitchen needs. Cons: well, versatile. It's a larger set that requires ample storage space. This set is perfect for anyone who loves cooking but wants to protect their expensive non-stick cookware. Whether you're a beginner or experienced chef, these high-quality heat utensils are a must-have for your kitchen. Grab your 15-piece silicone utensil set today and make cooking easier and safer. Number 4. Silicone Cooking Utensils Kitchen Utensil Set. If you're looking for a durable, heat-resistant, and non-scratch solution for your non-stick cookware, the 9-piece Silicone Cooking Utensils Set is exactly what you need. Crafted from premium, food-grade silicone, this set is designed to withstand temperatures up to 446 degrees Fahrenheit, so it can handle everything from simmering sauces to searing steaks. The BPA-free material is safe for your health and doesn't retain odors or stains. Main features include the reinforced stainless steel core, providing strength and flexibility, and a seamless, easy-to-clean design that prevents food from getting stuck. Plus, this set covers all your cooking needs with 9 essential kitchen tools like a spatula, tongs, spoon, and whisk. Pros: it's non-scratch, durable, and easy to clean. Cons: hand washing is recommended to preserve the wooden handles, but they last long. This set is perfect for home cooks who want to protect their non-stick pans while having a complete, durable set of utensils. It also makes a great gift for weddings, housewarmings, or holidays. Grab the 9-piece silicone utensil set today and enjoy safe, easy cooking. Number 5. Umite Chef Silicone Kitchen Utensil Set. Are you looking for a complete and non-scratch kitchen utensil set that won't damage your cookware? The Umite Chef 34-piece silicone kitchen utensil set is perfect for you. This set includes everything you need from spatulas and tongs to a grater and kitchen scissors, all made from food-grade, BPA, F-free silicone. These utensils are heat-resistant up to 446 degrees Fahrenheit, so they won't melt, warp, or stain. And they're safe for use on your non-stick cookware, extending the life of your expensive pans. Main features include the vintage wooden handles, which are anti-scalding and comfortable to use, and the one-piece design that makes cleaning super easy without food getting trapped in gaps. Pros: it's a complete set, safe for non-stick cookware, and easy to clean. Cons: the wooden handles should be hand-washed and not soaked for long periods. This set is perfect for beginners, newlyweds, or anyone looking to update their kitchen tools with high-quality, durable utensils. It also makes a great gift for housewarmings or holidays. Get the Umite Chef 34-piece kitchen utensil set and elevate your cooking game today. Recommendation: if you're looking for the best overall value, the Umite Chef 34-piece silicone kitchen utensil set stands out. With its extensive variety, heat resistance, and non-scratch design, it's perfect for anyone from beginners to seasoned chefs. Plus, the vintage wooden handles add a touch of elegance to your kitchen. This set offers the best value for comprehensive cooking and durability. Check the description below for links to detailed information on each product. Don't forget to leave a comment to let us know your opinion. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons. We'll see you guys in the next video.